Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by nailing the objective, who clicks and what they do next. Once done, write a tight 30-60 second script focused on one CTA and measurable KPI like CTR. Next, collect brand assets, logo, color hex codes, and sample voice direction. Make sure to pick compatible AI tools now, a script model, a text-to-video engine, and a quality TTS voice. This immediate prep prevents rework later and gets you into production flow quickly. You generate multiple script variations and pick the strongest one, then run a storyboard pass to map visuals to beats. Once you approve, export video assets, background footage, motion graphics, and isolated voice TTS. Make sure to keep layers separate for easy re-editing. In your editor, assemble scenes and trim for 15, 30, and 60-second formats. Balance pacing and rhythm so the CTA lands at a natural beat. Also add captions and leveling for mobile-first viewing. You finalize by exporting each aspect ratio and encoding to platform specs, checking thumbnails and file size limits. Then set up a /B tests. Change headlines, CTA phrasing, or thumbnail and tag with UTM parameters and pixels. Once live, watch the first 72 hours closely for CTR, frequency, and CPA. Make small creative swaps rather than broad changes. If performance collapses, roll back to the most recent winning cut and test one variable at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.